Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 3.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair gained 1.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Refiners across the top importing region of Asia are being forced to adapt buying patterns as the additional output cuts by Saudi Arabia have reduced availability of their preferred medium sour grades of crude. The South African rand weakened against the dollar as markets await US inflation data that could shed light on the Federal Reserve's interest rate path. Bitcoin jumped to nearly $26,000, reversing this week's decline to 3-month lows under $25,000. The move could be best described as a short squeeze, a rally powered by an unwinding of bearish derivative bets.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT, the US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT, Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. The UK's industrial production will be released at 0600 hours GMT, Germany's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.